Hi, I'm Elizabeth Catt. I'm a Chemistry 1 teacher at Carmel High School, and I'm here to give you some information about my course and myself for our virtual open house this year. This is my 14th year at Carmel High School, and I've been here since I did my student teaching. I'm a wife to my husband Drew and a mom to two little boys, Theodore, who is 3, and Everett, who is 3 months old. I'm a proud graduate of Butler University, and I have lots of different activities and things I like to do outside of the school day, like baking and cooking, knitting, all kinds of things I like to do with my family and friends. Chemistry 1 is an inquiry-based student-centered course that focuses on 3 levels of chemistry, and those are the macroscopic, particulate, and symbolic representations. We look at every concept in the lens of these three levels, and this is going to be something that is a really big, strong focus about our course. Grading policies in chemistry may be a little different than what your students have in other courses, as we use standards-based grading, and all assignments and assessments are graded on a rubric. Standards-based grading is going to give students really great opportunities to improve their scores and increase their learning throughout the semester. Final grades are going to be calculated using assessment scores for each objective that is covered throughout the semester. Students will always have the opportunity to reassess on topics as we do iterative assessments. Usually we assess 2 to 3 times within the semester on each objective, with one final reassessment at the end of the semester. On these reassessments, the most recent assessment will contribute to the overall score, and the final assessment, again, will be given at the end of the semester. This is their last opportunity to show understanding for each concept. This is a quick snapshot of our standards-based grading rubric. Instead of letter grades, we use these letter-based scores to tell whether students' understanding of a concept is proficient, not proficient, or if it is, if there's no evidence of their understanding. We will be communicating more information about grading policies within the next week through a Canvas announcement, and students will also be getting some more information about grading in class. In Chemistry 1, your student will be expected to participate and be engaged in our class discussions. This is a really big piece where our learning occurs in our course. They'll be expected to participate in lab experiments, observe phenomena and other demonstrations, and brainstorm and problem solve as groups. As they could probably tell you, we've done a lot of this already. We expect them to complete any assigned work. Some things will be submitted in Canvas, and for those things, we always ask that they check any posted answer keys to see if they have any questions or if they need any help on anything. And then a big piece of what we're asking students to do is to be able to demonstrate their content knowledge through our in-class assessments. Big key to being successful in chemistry is to make sure that your student asks questions when they have them, and that they utilize class time and SSRT for any additional help that they may need. Here's a quick overview of what our Canvas page looks like. In chemistry, we have 3 main things that we're going to be looking at on our homepage. That is learning modules, where you can find everything that the students are going to need. So that's your go-to every day. That's going to include our daily agendas as well as the module for each learning objective. The class resources link on our homepage is going to give students digital versions of the hard copy materials that they receive in class. This is going to be really important if they were to lose their packets or leave something at home or leave something at school that they needed at home. They always have the ability to get the information, the pages that they need. And then the last thing on this homepage is the contact me information, and I'll go over that in just a moment. Okay, which my contact information is here, email and phone. In terms of contacting me, I really encourage you to make sure that your student is the one who's reaching out to me with any questions that they may have. This is a big thing for them to learn how to self-advocate and make sure that they are getting their own questions answered. If you want to make sure that that has happened and that your student has reached out, or you want to make sure that we have the same information for you and your student, please reach out to me via email, as that's going to be the easiest way for me to get back to you. If you'd like to have a phone call, those need to be scheduled with me at least 24 hours in advance. I will be checking and responding to messages throughout the year between 8:45 and 4:15 Monday through Friday, and I really do my best to reply within 24 hours. Any messages that are sent to me over the weekend, I will respond to on the following Monday, and I really appreciate your respect of my boundaries for my timing of my work hours so that I can keep my time with my family precious, as I hope that you do for yourself as well. Again, I'll be communicating any other information on grading policies in the next week through a Canvas announcement. Thank you for taking the time to watch my open house video today, and I've already enjoyed having your students in class for this short period so far this year. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and reach out to me with any questions that you may have. Thanks so much.